Hello to my dear students. Welcome back to English classes. And once again here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher. Today in this video, we are going to study a beautiful poem Vocation written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now what is the meaning of the word vocation? What do you understand by the word vocation? A job or occupation that someone has chosen to work in because they feel to do it and that they are good at doing. The poem Vocation mentions the emotions and feelings of a boy who, on his way to school or market, sees many people working. Seeing them, he strongly wishes he could enjoy the freedom of doing the same work as them. So, let us now read the beautiful poem. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." The child in the poem wishes to be a hawker, a gardener, and a watchman. When he looks at the hawker, he wishes to spend his day on the road crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." He feels that there is nothing to hurry the hawker on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, and no fixed time when he must come home. These are the things that he cannot do himself, and therefore he wants to be a hawker so that he could do all these things. Now, let us read the second stanza. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spades. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or get wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Now here, the child, when returned from his school in the afternoon at 4 o'clock, he saw a gardener outside the house. He was digging the ground continuously with his spade. His clothes were dirty with soil, and he was working under the sun. Nobody tried to stop him, and he continued working at his own will. He was free to dig the ground. The child wanted to be like him so that nobody can punish him for digging the ground under scorching heat. Now, let us read the third stanza of the poem. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman, walking the streets all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Now, finally, the child sees the watchman and wishes to be like the watchman so that he could walk through dark and lonely streets all night with his lantern and chase shadows. When he is put to bed, and is not allowed to roam outside. He sees the watchman swinging his lantern with his shadow at his side, and he feels that the watchman never or even once has to go to bed in his whole life. Therefore, he wants to be a hawker, a gardener, and a watchman so that he could do all the things they did. As being a child, he is unable to do all that. Isn't it a beautiful poem? So, my dear students, keep on revising the work and do watch the videos.